There she is, spicy tuna fish on crackers, toast, and some Vandy Camps. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Another summer sandwich. I did egg salad the other day. It was so good. Today, spicy tuna fish sandwich. Spicy because the old dude likes it spicy, yes. And the wife's not in town. She's on vacation in Arkansas to see her sisters, so yeah, I get to have spicy food. I don't have to make it for both of us. When she's here, either have to do without my spice or make two different versions. So anyway, let me get the camera down here and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, I hope you can see that okay. I've got 8 ounces of oil-packed tuna of the sea, or whatever they call it. Tuna of the sea, fish of the sea, tuna fish anyway. This is small chunks, but it is chunk style. I've got 1 boiled egg. I'm gonna put in, I just boiled one. I do it the easy way. I take I put it in a pan. Today it's just by itself because there's just meat. I'm just going to put 1 egg, 1 boiled egg into 8 ounces of tuna fish. I'll let it come to a boil for about a minute. I turn the burner off, cover the lid, put a lid on the pot, let it stay for 15 minutes, bring it out and just run it under regular cold water. It peels like wonderful. Let's see here. Give me a piece of, oh, here's some right here. And you can see there's no dark ring around the yellow. And that don't even matter if it's there, but some people don't like that for some reason. I always thought it tasted the same. So, and then I put it in that little ramekin and take a knife and just chop it up in the ramekin. Less dishes to wash. So 1 fat tablespoon of sweet relish. See, I'm going to chef it up with these little ramekins. I have these and I never use them. Thought, well, while I was waiting on my egg to get ready, I went ahead and prepped everything. 1 hamburger dill. It was a sliced dill pickles for hamburgers. There was about, I think there were 6 little slices. I've chopped those up. I try to keep everything the same size. About the same amount of celery, perfectly chopped into perfect little bite size. Yeah, right. I just chop it up so it's easy to eat, that's all. In here I've got 1 teaspoon of chopped jalapeno and 1 teaspoon of onions. And what I do, I just mix this up prior before I put my mayo in it or my dressing. Just makes it a little easier to mix up, that's all. Alright, get this out of the way here. Piece of onion decided he didn't want to go to the party. I don't want to join the party. Alright, here's a fat tablespoon. This is Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise, blue plate, whatever you want. It's your choice. And I put about an 1/8 a teaspoon of black pepper. I put it on the mayo. That way it's mixed in good that way. And boys and girls, it ain't far from being ready. How do you make your tuna fish? One of these days I'm going to do a tuna melt. I've never had one. I've looked at them on, this looks like a hot tuna fish salad sandwich with on toast with cheese. I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. I mean, it sounds okay, but just a regular old tuna fish sandwich is good. And growing up, and after I got old enough to fix my own stuff, it would just be a little can of tuna fish with some mayo and some sweet relish, and that was it. Put it on some white bread and go. something to take fishing, something to take on a hunting trip, something to eat because I was hungry. All right, let's see here. I believe that's about ready. It'll smash on a sandwich good enough. All right, let's see here. Got my plate up here. So you can put it on crackers. I love saltine crackers, but I don't like the salt in them because of my heart condition. So we started buying Great Value, no salt, and I'm gonna tell you, they're good. I mean, you won't miss it. There must be a little salt, I'm not sure, but they taste so good and fresh. Of course, I've got one piece of bread toasted on both sides. This is gonna be my lunch. So let's do the sandwich first. Let's get a taste of this. I'll be honest, my mouth is already watering. It's a pretty simple deal here. Load up a couple of crackers. I love this on crackers. For dinner this evening, I'll have this sandwich for lunch, and for dinner this evening, I'll get me a sleeve of crackers, go sit at my easy chair, get me a good vintage of Dr. Pepper, and sit there and enjoy. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I forgot I did have something else that was going to go with these. Get these out of the way here. My favorite side, pork and beans, Vandicams. I had some of these the other day, put it back in the fridge when I had my egg salad sandwich. Alright, let's see if we can get this tasted. There she is, spicy tuna fish on crackers, toast, and some Vandicams. All right, let's get a bite of this. First on salty. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You can add apple to this. I've had pear put in it, and a fresh pear. Make it your own. I put jalapenos in it because I want to make it my own. Let's see if the sandwich tastes as good as that. Man, oh man, that's good. Wash it down with Dr. Pepper here. Oh, that's good stuff. They burned it. Well, I hope you like my videos and subscribe to them and share. Please share them and a comment, of course. I'm going to have a new series coming up. It'll come out one day next week. This is still the weekend. This is Memorial Day, Friday. And it's going to be a life journal for the old dude. I'm going to start doing something next Monday to hopefully improve my life. Give me a few more years on this earth. I mean, I'm a heart failure patient. There's nothing I can do about that. They've done all they can do. But I'm holding my own. But I'm going to add something to that and help. Hopefully, will help a little bit. So stay tuned for the next couple of videos, and you'll see. Come and join me for my life journal. I'll let you wonder what it's going to be. You'll see on the video. And enjoy this summer sandwiches. Perfect for the summer cold sandwich, man. Don't get no better. See y'all later. Thanks for being here.